Namaste friends. Today we shall see how to make a tasty and healthy beautiful black balls which will keep us warm and nourishing in these cold winters. The special ingredient in this recipe is the Niger seeds which have extraordinary therapeutic health benefits for us. Niger seeds are rich in vitamin K1 which has a very important role in blood clotting and protein metabolism. They are highly rich in the essential fatty acids like linoleic acid, which helps to lower LDL cholesterol, decrease arrhythmias, and improve insulin sensitivity. Seeds are also highly rich in iron and hence very useful in anemic conditions. Apart from these, they have good antioxidant properties because of their bioactive compounds like phytosterols, carotenoids, tocopherols, and phenolic compounds. Then all the other ingredients that we have used are also highly rich in vitamins, minerals like calcium, essential fatty acids. Then they are all anti-inflammatory, rich in polyphenols that helps to build strength in this winter. Here are the ingredients that we require. Take equal quantities of groundnuts, Niger seeds and sesame seeds, half part of dry coconut, 2 parts of jaggery, 1 tablespoon of A2 cow milk ghee, around 5 pods of cardamom, a quarter part of edible gum or gond but not gond katira. These are deep fried in ghee but these are completely optional. Let us now see the procedure of making this recipe. Dry fry all the ingredients well. Fry them all separately so that they evenly get roasted. So first we are dry frying the groundnuts. Once they are roasted, take them into a bowl and then add the black sesame seeds. As they pop while we are dry frying, just remove them into a bowl and then dry fry the Niger seeds, and the same process once they pop. Here at the end we'll add the dry coconuts also. We are not going to roast the coconuts, just showing little heat to it so that if there is any leftover moisture it can be removed. You can now switch off the stove and take all the ingredients into the mixie jar. Then add the cardamom pods that we have at this point. Pulse the mixture when they are slightly in warm condition itself. If you have readily available cardamom powder, you can add at the end. And then once the mixture is coarsely ground, separate this mixture into a bowl so that we'll add this crunchy nuts at the end. Now to the leftover mixture, we'll now add the jaggery and ghee. As the mixture will be slightly still warm in condition, the ghee and jaggery nicely get melted and mixed well with the ingredients when we grind them again. To this mixture, we'll now add the bowl of coarsely ground nuts and seeds that we had kept aside earlier. You may add little extra jaggery and ghee if needed and then give it a pulse again. Now take the mixture into a bowl. You may add the cardamom powder or even dry ginger powder for better digestion at this point. Mix them all well and make them into a beautiful round shaped balls. We can also add the gond or edible gum which were deep fried in A2 cow milk ghee at this point. Just crush them using hand and mix well with the rest of the ingredients. Shape them into a ball to the size that you desire and enjoy these beautiful and beneficial black balls. Thanks for watching.